Top 8 natural spices to boost poultry growth and profits naturally. Herbal feed additives that works for you as a poultry farmer. Many farmers are not aware that these food spices you use in your home can also boost poultry and livestock animals. Here in this video, we have different spices here. You can see them. We have Aidan fruit, we have turmeric powder, we have Negro pepper, we have African pepper, we have Clove, I have ginger here, I have, you can see them, there are many here. All these 8 natural spices can boost your poultry growth, weight, and profit naturally. They are herbal feed additives. You can use them during making your feed. You want to make the feed for your poultry and livestock animals. You want them to get maximum weight without any synthetic. Are you going into 100% organic poultry farming? Yes, this is the additives you use in making their feed. Because when you are looking for natural, affordable, and cost-effective ways to boost the growth of the poultry and livestock animal health and profit, and to make your business profitable, these particular herbs will help you. And in this video, I'm going to review all their nutritional and medicinal values in poultry and livestock farming. Aidan fruits, Negro pepper, ginger, garlic, clove, African nutmeg, turmeric, and black pepper. They are powerful feed additives. These herbal ingredients are very rich in antibiotic compounds that help improve feed intake, boost immunity, enhance digestion, and accelerate the weight gain of your poultry and livestock animals without any antibiotics at all or synthetic chemicals. No growth booster, synthetic growth booster at all. You are 100% organic in this particular video. Make sure you watch the video till the end if you want to get the best and the maximum result from this video. I will give you all the nutritional value, the medicinal value in poultry and livestock, and why you as a poultry farmer should make use of them in boosting the growth and weight of your poultry and livestock animals. Not only meat animals, including egg animals like layers. You want to maximize the egg drop, the egg size, the egg yolk, the egg shell quality. All these spices will help you. Number 1 among them here is Aidan fruit. Aidan fruit is Tetrapularia tetrapetra. That is a botanical name, and you all know this. We have developed a video on this before, and I tell you the wonders of this. This has both medicinal value and also spiritual value. You all know about this. If you have not watched the video, go and watch the video on Aidan fruit. But here we are treating it as feed additives. It contains flavonoids, tannins, spodins, and essential oils. This particular fruit you are seeing as Aidan fruit, it has seed inside. You can see as I'm shaking it, you are hearing the sound. This sound here is the seed that shakes. Let me see whether I can get one of the seed. You see how it looks like. So the seed, you can get the oil from the seed. It's a very wonderful plant. It has seeds inside. I'll get the seed for you now. You see how it looks like. One black seed like that, and it has a lot of medicinal value also, and even spiritual value also. Those of you that are into natural herbal remedies, you know what I'm talking about. This is a very wonderful plant. I don't know why it's difficult for me to get the seed now. Now, instead of wasting our time, it enhances appetite, improves digestion, and strengthens the immunity of your poultry and livestock animals. The next one is the Negro pepper. See it, Negro pepper. You can see it. This is the next one. This is Negro pepper. You see it. It's a wonderful spice also. They're all here. You can see them here. Negro pepper is very rich in alkaloids, very rich in flavonoids, very rich in tannins and essential oil also. And they have minerals that promote growth, that boost immunity and function as bacteria fighters. They fight bacteria to 0 level in your poultry breast. The next one is ginger. Everyone know about ginger. Zingiber officinale, that's the botanical name. It contains gingerol, antioxidants, and essential oil that improve gut health, metabolism, and feed efficiency. See them. They are very wonderful plants. They are very wonderful spices. Another one is garlic. Allium sativum, that's the botanical name. Packed with allicin, sulfur compounds, and antioxidants that act as natural antibiotics, improve health and heart function, improve gut health, and at the same time reduces mortality in your poultry and livestock farming. The next one is clove. You know, clove is very tiny. You can see it. It's very tiny in nature. See it here. This is a clove. Clove contains eganoid, flavonoid, and tannins, support appetite, digestion, and act as strong antimicrobials. Another one is African nutmeg. Most of all these spices have local names. Please, if you need the local names of some of these spices, if you don't know the English name or the botanical name, ask me on the comment section. I will also give you their local name in your own dialect so that you know how to identify them. African nutmeg is Monodora mystica. That is a botanical name, rich in essential oils, alkaloids, and minerals that enhance flavor, improve feed intake, and reduces pathogen in poultry. Turmeric. Here I have the turmeric powder. Here you can see it. Turmeric is yellowish in color. That's the turmeric powder. It's what I use. So instead of using the main turmeric, you can see it here. This is turmeric powder. I see it here. Turmeric powder is another one. Turmeric curcuma longa, that's the botanical name, contains curcumin and antioxidants that boost liver health, immunity, and helps detoxify the digestion system of your poultry and livestock animals. The final one among them is the black pepper. Piper nigrum is the botanical name. Very high in papain and flavonoids and enzymes that enhance nutrient absorption, metabolism, and overall performance of your poultry and livestock animals. Are you a poultry farmer and you don't know how to make use of this particular video? Watch to the end. How do you make use of this? When you are preparing their feed, either you make use of them in preparing their feed, or you use them to boost the feed that's already prepared, or you want to make use of them in organic way. What you do is gather all these ingredients, these spices I'm giving you in this particular video, gather all of them together. 200 grams of each of them is okay for you. Then what you do is pound them or grind them into powder format. After some drying them, grind them very well. Then anytime you are giving your chicken feed, just take 1 teaspoon and add to their feed and mix it properly. That's good. Or you can as well grind it into powder, add 2 liters of water and put them inside one pot, boil them up to 30 minutes. After boiling them, you're going to see the aroma. Secure the water in a very neat container, an airtight container also. Anytime you are giving them water, add 5 ml of it, 5 ml of the liquid to the ordinary neat water, and dilute it and give to your poultry birds. Do this on daily basis for complete 5 days. 5 days, or you want to use it regularly, you do it 3 times in a week. You are going to get powerful and amazing results, because incorporating all these 8 powerful organic spices into your poultry feed and routine is a proven strategy for achieving maximum growth, health, and profitability. They help you reduce dependence on antibiotics, cut down the cost of providing your poultry and livestock animals, and increase returns on investment. Start using these herbal boosters in the right proportion today and watch your birds thrive naturally and profitably. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Do you want dosage of this particular product for other livestock animals like goat, sheep, cattle, cow, and pig, and others? Let me know on the comment section. And do you know how to make use of them for long? Let me know also know in the comment section. Where are you watching this video from? And which particular breed of bird do you rear? Let me know on the comment section. Do you have any question regarding this topic or any other topic we have treated? Tell me on the comment section also. And our Eco Bio Booster is still available. Wonderful product that is making difference in poultry and livestock farming. Many farmers are using it. Many profitable farmers are using it. Those that want to make profit in the poultry business are using this product. We can weigh this product to any location in Africa, anywhere you are in the world. Ask for it today, we are going to give it to you. This is only 55,000 naira. Convert it to your own currency and let us know so that we can send them then to your own location. It is a wonderful probiotic that gives you maximum results on your investment. Your chicken will never have any infection. They will never suffer any form of stress. They will always grow from beginning to end. You can use this product from day one till maturity. We have used this product. We have tested this product in different formats. We have tested this product in 12 weeks. We have read our broiler here in 12 weeks, and we got about 10.5 kg in 12 weeks. We have used it for 8 weeks. Any level, you can take it to 1 year. There's no issue at all. You can see this breast you are seeing on the screen here is right away more than 6 weeks and is still alive. You don't have any stress, don't have any diseases, don't any outbreak at all. They will continue growing because they are on natural additives. This is natural, purely natural. Every ingredient is here is natural, made up of over 565 ingredients. All these I'm teaching here are here. Both garlic, ginger, turmeric, bitter leaf, all of them are here. Negro pepper, they are here. Dogoyaro, all of them are in this particular organic plant. It is purely probiotic, well prepared for your poultry and livestock animal, prepared by a farmer for the farmers. So use it today and see the result. What others are getting, they will not tell you. Many of them will not. They only call me on phone and tell me, Doc, we are doing wonderful. This your product is doing wonderful. They are doing great. They will not tell you. So go there and start waiting till when they will announce it on the national television before you come and buy them. See them here now. See it here. We still have some containers left. Come and buy your own today and start enjoying poultry and livestock business organically. No more synthetic. No more wasting money on synthetic drugs any longer with this product. You take it to the even 12. You want to rear broilers for 1 year. This product will take you there. Not only broilers, other poultry breasts are also included. 55,000 naira only. Then if you're using commercial feed and you want to boost the growth, you want to make your feed richer, this is our feed booster. It is made up of organic plants also. All here are organic. It will reach the protein level, the fat level, the metabolizable energy, the antioxidant. Everything is here, fully packed. Multivitamins and others, they are all packed in this particular design. You only mix it with your feed and serve to your poultry base. You are going to get amazing results. Robust broilers, robust egg production, robust daily drop of egg and others. Thank you for watching. Share the video to reach more poultry farmers. Share the video, please. Share our videos. Don't be stingy. Share the video to reach more poultry farmers. The more you share the video, the more you have it on your platform, so that anytime you need this video, you can go to them. And if you need more of our videos, go to our video description. We have listed some of the videos there. All of our videos have the description now. Now we have listed different videos we have already made on the platform, on the channels, so that you can get them on the particular video. You see the link. Anyone you want to watch, the name of the video is there, the topic is there, and the link to that video is there. You click on it, you watch the video also. Thank you for watching. Share the video to reach more poultry farmers, and make sure you subscribe to our channel membership. Be a channel member so that you get maximum benefit from this particular channel. Bye till the next video is uploaded. I love you all.